Welcome to Compare to Win. The best splash pads is probably one of the most exciting ways to beat the summer heat and provide endless hours of fun for your little ones, transforming your backyard into a mini water park that promises laughter, cooling relief, and unforgettable memories for children aged 4 to 8, making it an essential addition to your outdoor entertainment arsenal. Number 5. SplashEZ 3-in-1 Splash Pad, Sprinkler and Baby Pool. Get ready for a fun-filled water adventure with our 3-in-1 splash pad. Designed by parents, it makes learning easy and enjoyable while they play in the water. Beat the heat with this refreshing inflatable pool, perfect for little ones 12 months and older. Watch them enjoy the cool water sprinklers and create endless summer adventures. Keep your children cool and safe with our parent-approved outdoor water toys. This shallow wading pool and sprinkler are made with uncompromised quality and are BPA and phthalate-free. We believe in the power of learning through play for healthy development. This product offers both educational activities and outdoor fun in one amazing pool. As parents ourselves, we prioritize your child's safety and toy quality. If you're not completely satisfied, our customer care team is here to help make it right. What we like? This splash pad makes learning a blast with its integrated educational mat. It's designed by parents for parents, focusing on making learning fun and easy. If you are looking for a way to combine educational activities with water play for your little ones, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The splash pad is easy to set up and provides hours of fun for kids. The water sprays are adjustable, allowing for different spray heights and patterns. It's made of durable material that holds up well to frequent use. Number 4. MAGIFIRE Sprinkler Pad for Toddlers. Transform your backyard into a vibrant water park with this fun sprinkler pad. It's designed for children aged 1 to 3, offering an engaging outdoor toy that combines play and learning. Inspire your little one's curiosity with its world map design. This splash pad encourages exploration and imaginative play, enriching young minds as they splash around. Measuring 59 inches, it provides plenty of room for active play. The raised edges create a shallow pool, ensuring a safe and enjoyable water adventure for toddlers. Crafted from robust PVC, this sprinkler pad is built to last. Simply connect it to a garden hose for easy setup and gentle water jets. Expand playtime possibilities by pairing it with other educational toys. It fosters active play, making it a perfect gift for outdoor exploration and fun. What we like? This splash pad offers an interactive geography learning experience with its world map design. It provides ample space for toddlers to play safely in a shallow wading pool. If your child is between 1 to 3 years old and you want to introduce them to the world while they cool off, this is the perfect option. What people say. The sprinkler pad is a great size for kids to run and play in, and the water sprays out nicely. My kids love this splash pad. It's easy to set up and provides hours of fun. The water fills up quickly and the spray pattern is perfect for little ones. Number 3. SplashEZ Non-Slip Splash Pad. Say goodbye to slips and falls with our non-slip surface. Keep your little ones and furry friends safe while they splash and play in this awesome sprinkler pool. This is the ultimate summer toy for everyone, including your furry friends. With its durable materials and unique design, everyone will be wagging their tails with excitement. With a spacious 69-inch surface area, it's big enough for the whole family to splash around. Get ready for endless hours of fun in the sun. Keep your kids and dogs cool and safe with its shallow wading pool and anti-slip surface. Plus, it's BPA and phthalates-free, so you can have fun without any worries. We're committed to providing top-notch service. If you're not satisfied, contact our friendly team for a solution. What we like? This extra-large splash pad boasts a non-slip surface, ensuring safety for both kids and dogs. Its generous size makes it perfect for the whole family, including furry friends. If you have a larger family or pets and are looking for a safe and spacious water play area, this is the one to get. What people say. The sprinkler is a good size for toddlers and preschoolers, and it's easy to set up. Just connect it to a hose and you're good to go. My kids love this splash pad. They spend hours playing in it, and it's a great way to cool down on a hot day. The splash pad is made of durable material and has held up well to a lot of use. It's also easy to clean. Number 2. Intex Jungle Adventure Play Center Kiddie Pool. This inflatable pool is the perfect summer oasis for young kids learning to swim. It's designed to be a safe and fun introduction to the water. With generous dimensions, this play center offers plenty of room for splashing and playing. It's large enough for multiple children to enjoy. This unique design features 2 pools, offering different depths for various water activities. One is larger for general play, and a smaller one for shallower fun. Get ready for hours of entertainment with a variety of included activities. It comes with a water slide, fun inflatables, a ring toss game, and balls. The smaller pool includes a safety drain, ensuring it stays at a shallow depth. This makes it ideal for very young children to play safely. What we like. This play center is designed as a 2-in-1 pool, offering a larger main pool and a smaller, shallower one for younger children. It comes with a water slide, inflatable arch, and games for endless entertainment. If you have children of varying ages or are looking for a play center with a variety of activities, this inflatable option is ideal. What people say. The sprinkler is a good size for my 4- and 6-year-old. It is easy to set up and connect to the hose. The water sprays out in a fun pattern that the kids love. Number 1. Intex Candy Zone Inflatable Kiddie Pool. Get ready for a summer of sweet adventures with this inflatable play center. It's packed with exciting activities for endless entertainment. This play center features a main pool, a wading pool, and a thrilling water slide with a padded landing. It also includes fun accessories like balls and lollipops for extra enjoyment. Beat the heat in the candy-themed wading pool, then slide into the splash pool. The overhead water sprayer adds even more refreshing fun. Setting up is a breeze. Simply inflate it, connect a garden hose to the built-in sprayer, and watch the kids splash and slide in minutes. This durable play center is designed for easy setup and drainage. It's built with safety and quality in mind, ensuring hours of fun for children ages 2 and up. With an inflated size of 116x75x51, there's plenty of room to play. The pools hold a generous amount of water, perfect for a hot day. What we like. This candy-themed play center is packed with sweet activities, including a main pool, wading pool, water slide, and a fun overhead water sprayer. It even comes with balls and inflatable lollipops for extra fun. If you're looking for a vibrant and engaging splash pad with a playful theme for kids aged 3 and up, this is a delightful choice. What people say. The sprinkler is a good size for toddlers and preschoolers, and it's easy to set up. My kids love this splash pad. It's a great way to keep them cool in the summer. The water sprays in all directions, which makes it really fun for the kids. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.